Hello guys, in this video I show you my Compton Tech the ceiling fan of 211 brown color. This is got purchased from Lohar Chai. See here, see the color. Here is it Compton and this sweet to 12 ml. Okay, येणारच काय रे बाळा तू let's start. अरे पण क्या see the speed of the ceiling fan. RPM is 280. But it is in my bedroom. So nice air ceiling fan. Wow, what a cool breeze. This fan is better than Havells Legenda, Orient Quadro Ornamental and Bajaj Regal. 4 weeks. Ceiling fan. Fan price is 2230 rupees at wholesale rate. I will show you the box. Let's go. Yes, see the box. 1 minute. 1700. So I got it 2230 rupees. Date of manufacture. Strip 1 2009. Compton Decaf late side. So here, so it's so fast that the fan gives very cool air. Can believe it is on full speed. I'll show it from this side. Yeah, see here, the air of the fan. See the motor running very furious. I can't upload the installation of video because my camera is not switched on. So I'm sorry that. So I will. So I upload this video. This is the only ceiling fan that I got from Lahore. This fan is very nice, and my friends also have this like Electro Smarts and Electro Jacks. Or this one set with Jacob. There, they have the decades. So I also brought the Decare. Decare is very nice ceiling fan of Compton Greaves. It didn't get in the local market, so I brought from Mumbai Loharchal. So it is very cool and comfortable for two and one persons only. One person can sleep on this me under bed, under the bed on the fan. This fan is too old actually. Actually, this fan model is too old, but this model is uh, famous actually because this fan model was installed at railway stations of Mumbai. Named Dacia Compton Cruise white color Swift 1400 mm means 1400 mm. They were the famous ceiling fans in Mumbai. Now they have been not there. Only few stations of Dacia are there. So this fan is very nice and cool fan. It can be used in hall also. In summer, this fan is very useful to us. The motor is like Crompton hybrids. The blades design is totally different. The canopies are totally different. It is 12 speed, but it has very cool air. Speed is 85 watts. This fan is 85 watts. This fan has actually closed by counter or not, I didn't know. But the fan is very high speed. Its name is Deck Air, not Dick Air. Compton Deck Air means decorative air. This fan has got 2 years warranty. If any problem is there in this fan, so please there is a toll-free number of on warranty card of Crompton Greaves. Please call them and make sure what is the problem in your ceiling fan. Okay, guys, but this model is not getting in the market here. No, in the local this model is not getting in the local market. So I brought it from Loharchar at 2,230 rupees only at wholesale rate. But this model has got clothes or not, I don't know. And this air delivery is 230 centimeter, I don't know perfectly. But this fan is very nice to buy it. I will show you this fan. I will turn it off. I will do slow first. See the speed. I decrease the speed. And at low speed. See the fan. At low speed it also gives the air. I will do on full speed. And I will turn on. So thank you guys for watching my video and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. At least I made this one video. So thank you guys and get the DK fan also. Thank you guys for watching my video. For watching my video.